I'm so happy right now. All I did was eat 2 bites. It's time. But we aren't just going to make the monster cookies. We're going to make chocolate peanut butter monster cookie sandwiches. It only uses 3 ingredients. You use all 12 of the monster cookie dough, 2/3 cup of a chocolate frosting, a 16-ounce container, so 2/3 cup, 2 tablespoons of a creamy peanut butter, which I have that in here, but we don't need that yet. We've got to bake the cookies. Oven is preheated to 350, and well, it's probably gonna tell me on here too. Bakes 15 to 20 minutes. Now, of course, you can have your own monster cookie dough, and you can use it with the recipe for the filling. We've eaten up all our monster cookies, so, and plus I need to use these, so I'm going to, let's see, I want to bake another one of those, so I'm going to see how many I can get. Okay. Then there's peanut butter and Oreo. I'm gonna wait because you know with the Oreo, I'm gonna make some cookie sandwiches with that too, but I'm gonna use a white frosting, maybe vanilla. I don't know. So let's go ahead and spread these out a little bit more. Okay. Once they bake, you let them cool for at least 30 minutes, and then you make your sandwiches. So I'm getting ready to put these in the oven. I'll be back once they've cooled. Or actually, I'll be back and you'll see me mix up the mixture, the filling, and then I'll be back once the cookies have cooled. So just a second, let me put these in the oven. Okay. So now we have our frosting and peanut butter, and this says to just mix it together. And I used what I had on hand, which was the Hershey chocolate frosting and the Jif peanut butter. Of course, you can probably make your own homemade chocolate frosting if you want to. But I'm trying to make this a true 3-ingredient dessert, cookie treat, whatever you want to call it. Now, did not add any vanilla to the cookies because, you know, the dough is already made up. But as I sit here thinking about this filling, I'm wondering if I want to add some vanilla to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a plastic knife or whatever, and I'm going to taste it. If I like the way it tastes, I'm not going to add anything. So let me go do that now. Okay. Just get a little bit. I don't know if I want to or not. Because I can taste the chocolate and I can taste the peanut butter. Okay, just a splash. Here's my vanilla. Shake it up a little bit. And just a splash. Maybe that was a 1/4 teaspoon, I don't know. Just a splash. The vanilla is just my addition. You don't have to. The recipe doesn't call for it. I just like flavor in my life. Now, we used that tip. Let's use the back of it. Look, I had some on my finger. Could have just tried it there. In my opinion, adding the vanilla helped. That, or maybe I'll just mix it some more, because now the filling tastes like just a filling, a blend. Before, I could taste the peanut butter separately and I could taste the chocolate frosting separately. Now it's fully blended. So was it the vanilla, or did I just have to mix it some more? Who knows? But I'm glad I did it. I'll be back once the cookies are done and they have cooled, and we'll make our sandwiches and do a taste test. It's a quick and easy video. Alrighty, hang tight. About to take the cookies out. They cooked for a total of 18 minutes. They didn't spread that much, as you can see, but I'm going to try to flatten them out with this wooden spoon a little bit while they're still warm. And I have them sitting on the top of another cookie sheet so that they can cool. Not bad, hardly anything on the back. I'm gonna let them cool maybe about 3 or 4 minutes on this, and then I'll slide them off onto the counter and cool for the rest of the 30-minute time. And then we will make the sandwiches. Oh, look at that, sliding right off. I love a good parchment paper. Cookies have cooled. It's now time to make sandwiches. The recipe said for each sandwich to use 2 tablespoons of the filling. Here's our filling. 2 tablespoon measure. And this is how you're going to make it. You're going to bottom to bottom. Okay, let's see. Seems like a lot of filling, doesn't it? It's only making 6 sandwich cookies because there were 12 cookies, so I guess that's not a lot. Does that look like a lot? I don't know. Okay. Let's try it this way. I made sandwich cookies one other time. It was with my best chocolate chip cookies, but I used vanilla ice cream. And that's the filling. Oh, dear God. Oh my God. I bet these would be good with some vanilla ice cream too. Okay, 2 down, 4 to go. I liked it better scooping it in with the spatula. And this is really easy. I could see how you could do this with little kids, you know, of course under supervision, but I think they would have a ball with this. It's kind of like arts and crafts, but with food. Kids like playing with their food, don't they? Heck, some adults still do. So, yeah. Okay. There's 3. Let's flip them all over so I won't have to do that. But this is definitely a hands-on recipe. So don't y'all be in here with dirty hands, because that's gross. Okay, 2 more. It goes fast too, I like that. Cause y'all know I don't like to be in the kitchen all doggone day. It's not my, well, no, gonna be a little close on that last one, but I think we have enough between what's on the sides of the bowl and on the spatula. Okay, last one. I'm gonna sit that there so I can really scrape this bowl out. Get as much of the frosting filling out of here as possible. I'll just eat this last one. Give it a taste test. Let me clean my hands first, y'all. Let me move that out of the way. I want to. Gotta get a good pick for the thumbnail. Okay, here we go. I'll get a close-up all around of it. My filling technique needs help, I know. Here we go. That is so good. Oh my God. Because you have the cookie, you have the chocolate of the frosting, you have the peanut butter. Oh my God. That's like 3 of my favorite desserts or snacks, junk food, whatever you want to call it, in one. A chocolate chip cookie, really 4. Chocolate chip cookie, there's like M&Ms in there, peanut butter, and then just chocolate, like, you know, frosting from the frosting. I'm so happy right now. All I did was eat 2 bites. Oh my God. I only have 2 cookies. Oh, jeez. Jesus. because you know there's 3 of us. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to make the other ones. I gotta see if I have some vanilla frosting or something to make them Oreos. I don't know what kind of filling to use for the peanut butter cookies though. If you guys have made peanut butter cookie sandwiches, let me know what kind of filling you use, because oh my god, oh my god. Buffy did it again. Well, and Mr. Poppin' Fresh, I'm watching you. I'm watching you, Poppin' Fresh. If you haven't already, like the video, leave a nice comment. Again, let me know what filling you guys put in peanut butter cookies. I'm gonna do some research too. Oh my god. Until the next video, all the best to you and yours. Bye for now, because I gotta eat the rest of my cookie.